How to compare Google local service ads and Facebook ads. In today's digital landscape, advertising is crucial for businesses looking to increase their visibility and attract new customers. Two prominent options are Google local service ads and Facebook ads, each with its own strengths and applications. Understanding how they compare can help determine which platform is best suited to your business needs. Google local service ads are designed to connect businesses directly with potential customers searching for specific services in their area. These ads typically appear at the top of Google search results, providing a prominent position to attract attention. Local service ads are pay-per-lead, meaning you only pay when a customer contacts you through the ad, offering a potentially cost-effective option for service-based businesses focused on local markets. On the other hand, Facebook ads allows for detailed targeting based on demographics, interests, and behaviors, offering businesses the ability to reach specific audiences with tailored messages. This platform is ideal for building brand awareness and engaging users through visually appealing content such as images and videos. Facebook ads operate on a pay-per-click or impression model, providing flexibility in budgeting and advertising approaches. When comparing Google local service ads and Facebook ads, consider your business goals and target audience. If your objective is to generate leads from users actively searching for services, Google local service ads may be more effective. However, if you're looking to enhance brand visibility and engage with a specific audience, Facebook ads could be the better choice. Both platforms offer reporting tools to measure performance and refine strategies. Google provides the Google Ads dashboard, while Facebook offers insights and analytics through its Ads Manager. Regularly reviewing these insights will help optimize your advertising campaigns on either platform.